Top 5 Vitamin C Serums that are commonly recommended by experts and consumers. Number 5. Obagi Professional C Serum 20% Vitamin C in a rich, concentrated formula. Highest concentrated serum with antioxidant L-ascorbic acid, best suited for normal to oily skin. Uniquely formulated to help reduce the appearance of skin aging and leave skin feeling silky soft. Help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Immediately penetrates the skin for normal to oily skin. Number 4. Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. This concentrated booster with 15% pure vitamin C dramatically brightens uneven skin while improving the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, reveals a more radiant complexion. Vitamin C visibly brightens skin. Feather Light Liquid formula absorbs quickly. Use alone or add to your moisturizer or serum. Number 3. Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Revitalizing moisturizer that supercharges skin with high-potency, advanced vitamin C that ascorbate and delivers a non-greasy, satin skin finish powered by a stable, advanced form of vitamin C. This plumping cream brightens and evens skin tone and pulls hydration into the skin. Antioxidant lutein provides natural blue light protection and sodium hyaluronate binds water for increased skin hydration. This luminous cream also creates a radiant base for makeup application, while also keeping the skin hydrated and soft. Number 2. Drunk Elephant C Day Serum. What it is: a potent 15% vitamin C day serum packed with antioxidants, nutrients, and fruit enzymes to visibly firm, brighten, and improve the signs of photoaging. Skin type: normal, dry, combination, and oily. Skincare concerns: fine lines and wrinkles, dullness and uneven texture, loss of firmness and elasticity. Formulation: lightweight serum. Number 1. SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Serum. Benefits: provides advanced environmental protection by neutralizing damaging free radicals. Visible anti-aging benefits, such as the improvement of the appearance of lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, and brightens skin's complexion. Neutralizes free radicals on the upper layer of the skin to help prevent the impact of ozone damage to skin. Once absorbed, this vitamin C serum remains effective for a minimum of 72 hours. Paraben-free and ideal for normal, dry, and sensitive skin types. Tested suitable for use post-laser. Always consult with a physician for individual post-procedure care. TSA approved. Like and comment. Don't forget to